Hello! Again, this is me, your teacher in Science 8, Mom Rhoda. And now, we will continue to discuss about what? Newton's second law of motion, which is known as the law of acceleration. Are you ready? The objectives for today's lesson is only one. It's for you to solve problems involving the law of acceleration. The law of acceleration can be stated as the acceleration is directly proportional to the net force, but inversely proportional to the mass. So in simple words, that's A equals to force divided by mass. We have what we call this triangle method for you to easily remember how to answer problems. Look at this. F, then M and A. You see the first line below F, that is division. And the line between M and A means multiplication. So if you're looking for acceleration, it would just be F divided by M. It's very easy. If you are looking for force, then what would you do? You would just multiply mass and acceleration. Again, you have to multiply. Then, if you are looking for mass, then M is equals to F over A. Okay? Now, how to solve problems involving law of acceleration? Example. The boy pushes a box of mass 25 kilograms with a force of 75 newton. What is the acceleration of the box? Look at the picture. The boy is pushing a box. See, the mass is 25 kilograms and the boy's force is 75 newtons. Now, how will you search for the acceleration? So first step is you have to get the given. So in the problem, if you see kilogram, then you know that that is mass, and if you see N, that's force. So F is equals to 75 newton and mass is equals to 25 kilogram. Next, step 2. What are you searching for? You are looking for acceleration. So you just have to write A equals and then question mark. Next, step 3, you would be writing the formula on how to answer the problem. Because in step 2, you are looking for acceleration, then you would be using A is equals to F over M. Next, step 4, you would need to add the numbers in the formula. So A, we don't have a value for A, right? So A is equals to force, which is 75 newton, and mass is equals to 25 kilogram. So what would you do? You have to divide, calculate, and it will give you an answer of 3. Step 5 is you would be writing your final answer. So that's 3. And hey, don't forget to put the unit. If you don't have the unit, then it is wrong answer. Okay, so if you're looking for acceleration, the answer is you have to add meter per second squared. Okay, so the final answer, the complete answer is 3 meter per second squared. It's very easy. Now, I will give you time to answer activity number 1, which is finding the force. Next, what will you use? You would be using F is equals to M multiplied by A. For activity number 2, you would be looking for the mass and you would be using the formula mass is equals to force over acceleration. And for the last activity, number 3, you would be finding the acceleration. What would you do? You would be using A equals to F over M. Okay. Now I will give you time to answer your module. Then we will be answering it. Okay? God bless you. Bye.